On number 3, it says scores for Mrs. McClellan's class on mathematics and reading tests are given in the following table. Which student is the average student for the group? So for example, Rob got a 73 on his math test, and he got an 87 on his reading test. They don't really tell us what they mean by average. Okay? So average is kind of a generic word. They could mean the mode or the median or the mean. But I don't see either test having a mode because there's no repeating scores. I do see that the median score for math, well, let's see, we can get rid of the high score and the low, and then the next highest and the next lowest. So the median score for math is 83, and that's Doug's score. And then we can do reading. We can get rid of the lowest and the highest, and the next highest and the next lowest. So the median score is 87, and that's Rob's score. Right, so I wouldn't really say, I mean, we could maybe say that Doug is average for math and Rob is average for reading, but we don't have anyone who's average for both. And then we could look for the mean. So for math, I added up the 6 scores and divided by 6, and that gave me close to 67. And Myron's score was the closest because he was only 5 away from that. Rob was 6 points away, so Myron was closest there. And then when I did the same thing for reading, it also was about 6. And Alan had the closest to that. He was only 3 points away. And Doug was very far away from that. So I don't really think anybody is average. Nobody is particularly close to the average score for both subjects. Does that make sense? Okay.